Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic sunroof, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.